Hi, you guys. We're going to be working on the notes for Tuesday. Today, we are going to be working on the visual representation of what discriminants means. Discriminants is just a big word for, let me make sure that's on pen. It's just a big word for number of roots. And if you remember, roots is just another word for x-intercepts. How many times it crosses the x-axis. So we have three pictures down here. Here's our x-axis. And in this picture, we can see it does touch it one time. So there is one root. The second picture, the x is a little bit harder to see, but it's down here near the bottom. And our picture does not cross it at all. So there are 0 roots. It doesn't touch. Our next one, here's our x-axis, and it's going to touch it in 2 places. So we're going to have 2 roots. So on your assignment, you're going to have a mixture of graphs, and you're going to be putting them into order in your spiral notebook. So you're going to put the ones that have 2 roots in one column, 1 root, 0 roots. Now you're going to have it in pictures, but you're also going to have it in equations. Now for the first equation, when you put it into Desmos, we're just going to get it without the equal 0. We want it all on one side. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to put it into Desmos, you're going to graph it, and we're going to see this equation does not cross the x-axis at all. It has no roots. So we're going to put this in the column for 0 roots. There. And if we put the next one, we don't want it to equal, but the negative 6 is on the right side. So we need to move it over. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. And we have to get these in order. So negative 4x squared minus 2x plus 6 equals 0. But we don't need to put the equal 0. We put those into Desmos. And I did that again. Close the other one. Here's our second one. And here we can see it does cross the x-axis at 2 places. So this one is going to have 2 roots. So we're going to put this one into the column for 2 roots. So you're going to do a Desmos activity that goes through all of these. Definitely click on them. It's on your Google Classroom. Shouldn't take you very long. So go through it. And then you'll see this next one, and it's going to be in a yellow piece of paper, another yellow, different yellow. You're going to cut each one of these squares off, and you want to put them into your spiral notebook into the different columns. So, or different pages if you want. So 2 roots, 1 root, 0 roots. You can put them into columns if you want, or put them on different pages. And you're going to put your pictures or the equations into the different columns. That is your assignment. So please make sure you finished writing the quick notes from today. You're going to do the Desmos activity, and then you're going to do the paper assignment. After you're done with the paper assignment, please take a picture of it and put it onto our Google Classroom. I find that if you want to use your school computer, take a picture of it and put it onto Google Classroom. It's a little bit easier unless you have Google Classroom on your phone. All right, good luck.